This video will discuss the structure of paragraphs and help you apply the principle of cohesion in your writing. The topic of a paragraph should be introduced already in the first sentence, called the topic sentence. The topic sentence should clearly indicate what this paragraph is about and should be rather general at the same time as it's presenting some interesting information. The rest of the paragraph should then contain more specific information and details related to the topic that you introduced in the first sentence, before you round off the paragraph with a conclusion or transition sentence. Here's an example. The topic of the paragraph is clearly stated in the first sentence, and the following sentences provide more detailed information and explanations of why and how Google has one of the largest and most advanced computer networks in the world. The principle of cohesion states that each of the supporting sentences that follow the topic sentence should relate to the same topic. If they do not, the information should rather be moved to another paragraph, or your topic sentence must be updated. This paragraph ends with talking about Google's services, which provide an example and concludes on the consequences of being the most advanced computer network in the world. To talk about services at the end also makes it more likely that Google's services will be the topic of the next paragraph. This structure is called seek. It states the issue, follows with an explanation, then expands on the topic or gives examples, before ending the paragraph with a conclusion. Transitions between paragraphs are as important as topic sentences. Either the last sentence in a paragraph or the topic sentence in the following paragraph should link the two topics together and explain to the reader why this next topic is the natural subsequent topic to discuss. This ensures that your text flows and that you lead the reader to your story. The last sentence should also provide some sort of conclusion of the topic that you've just discussed. Let's summarize. Any paragraph should consist of 3 distinct elements. The topic sentence is the first sentence in a paragraph that introduces the topic. The following sentences should explain and give supporting details about your topic. And the last sentence should provide some sort of conclusion or create a transition to the next topic. This is the exact same structure as a thesis overall and should also be applied at the paragraph level. Paragraph structure should be a focus point when writing your first draft. When these principles are in place, you can start thinking of sentence structure and clarity, which will be the writing principles in focus during the second draft.